Archbishop Olombi abiri na hendero rutayo rwo mu Bushenye Mpango rubiretewe kanasibwa nkore Western University Kabuhe okumare Sunday yona.
So many things to thank God for.
You go
to bed and you lie down. And you sleep. You don't even know what happens. Your nostrils are open, your ears are open. But he who watches carefully, nothing goes into your nostrils.
Umukoro gubiro mu mbuga nkuru zitendekere rya Ankole Western University aho abakurustaye bo busaba dikono bwa Kabuhe bona bateraniro kushaba.
Prayer. We need this power. Prayer. Makes a change. Prayer allows the heavenly to come on earth. Prayer can lift people's hearts.
Yeto abazire Ankole Western University yongere kubasa kukorera abandi noshanga bari focusinga hari academics zonka ubwitu ntibikiririza kimwe tutari kubanganisa.
Omnyishengero washima municipality Dickson Corners Kateshumbwa arabwira bejo kwetantare bikemebero kwijo munsi.
Nabire nikimwe, we did not have the lectures we have. Some of us went to senior one without shoes. We did not have the distractions and the information overload that you have now.
Kuchira mnonga okubyare suko yokujunwa umbana ba university twenda kusima Archbishop Olombi ahubwo kutwikiriza kuja kubana icyo mu bitu bwa kabiri.
Umugandi abicerezo mu district ye Isingiro bashabira kushomesa abana babo no kwatara haba batine school fees ahabwe intunguka ya district yabo. Okushaboku kwirwe abanyakaturi cy'abarukurwa mu district y'Isingiro konka barukorera mu town yambarara abarukwegitero mu kibina cyabe cha Isingiro Catholics Mbarara City Association mu ruzinduko rwabo rumwakogu mu parish ya Kabuyanda. Aba batwerire parish miliyoni z'ukurengina kandi chairman w'ikibina Gerard Turiyasingura agambira abo nci barukwatira hamakereziya.
Ikigendwa cyitu n'icyo kugira ngo tugarike nyuma twatireho parish zitwazarirwamo.
Tubasaba muze mutujoyininge tukurakuranise kibina cyitu na nentunguka parish 12 ezuru kusanga muri Isingiro.
Kandi nyenda ngo mu izina ryaba basime na se kusima yona ngo ekimwatukorera n'ikikorwa cya rukundo.
Ekibine kiruma abashaho abashomesa abashubuzi abanyaberagiro abahumuriza n'abandi.
Ngo mwana wo mwishiki ningo mucyara wabo yino mugisha na munongo mugisha go kushoma oshome obase kutunge cyandi uko kirakwere ukabasa kugira umurimo gwakora.
Aba uruzinduko rwabo rukurataho mu mwaka gurukwija nibija kuzomparisha ya Ngarama kandi nibenda kwetorora parish zone 12 ezorukushanga mu district y'Isingiro. Nda Aidan Bataringaya hamwe na Mai kwatwakire.